50,000 subscribers. Not exactly. The current number is 48,800 subscribers. We are still short with 1,200 subscribers. Okay, so I'm so happy for that. Maybe in the next few days we'll be getting that benchmark. So I'm so happy. I'm going for a giveaway. No, I'm not giving away an iPhone or a MacBook or any other laptop. Okay, I will give you something which will be helpful for your career. So I always think about this, what can I do which will help you to achieve something which you want? And you all want to get into big companies, right? You want to work for Google or Microsoft or Infosys or TCS. What I can do using which you can achieve that thing. I mean, you are working hard, but then I want to be a catalyst in your success, right? So what can I do now? So I made this channel where I have uploaded lots of videos. So I made sure that I will teach something which will be helpful for you, right? So when I was teaching Java, so it was helpful for you. I have made lots of videos, right, which you are using. But then learning language is not the only thing, right? I mean, you cannot be a great programmer. You cannot be a great software developer just by learning a programming language. There are lots of things you have to take care of, right? So when you talk about software development life cycle, we have certain steps we have to follow, right? We have to talk about requirement gathering, then design, then creating a UI, then coding the software, then testing it, then deploying it. So how can I teach you all these things? Now I'm not an expert, okay? So when I say I know everything, I can take the requirements, I can design the software, I can make the software, I can test it, but then I cannot teach you everything. Because I'm not that good at teaching designing, I'm not that good at teaching testing, right? I was good at teaching you Java, so I did that. But then, so what I'm planning now is, one way to get into big companies or to get that huge success is building the software by yourself. So in my batches, in online batches, or if I go for the corporate training, what we do is after every batch, once the batch gets over, I give them some project to work on, right? What if I can do that here? Not for the batches, not for the corporate, but for my subscribers. What if we together can build a project? I mean, just imagine, we can start the project from scratch. Okay, I will give the requirements, or we will take the requirement from someone else, or I will give the requirement. Together, we'll plan out the requirements. Together, we'll design the software. Together, we'll code. Together, we'll test, and together, we'll deploy. So what if we can do that? I don't know how to do that now yet. I'm still in this plan is still in the initial phase. We are still planning it out. How can we achieve that? So maybe in this week I will have an exact plan how to achieve that. But then this is the start, right? We can start it. I don't know if it will be successful or not, but we can start it, right? We can do the coding together. So it will be a live coding, okay? So once we start with the requirement phase, we will get the requirement, we will design the UI and the data flow, what different modules we need. We'll design a database, right? We'll be using Postgres or MySQL. Again, we'll do that together, and then we'll also do the coding part. So on my machine, I will do the coding, and you can actually see what's happening and how to make a software. Again, this is not for expert, okay? People who are already working in software industry, this will not be for them. This will be mostly for those people who are in college now. So if you're in college and if you don't know how to build a software from scratch, because learning language will not give you everything, right? You should also know how to build a software. And that's what we are going to do in this, what do I call it? Can we call it as a course? Not exactly. We can call it as a live thing, right? We'll also give a name to it. So the suggestions are open. If you have any more suggestions on this, how can we achieve that? You are always welcome. So you can send me a mail at teluskotraining@gmail.com. You will find that email ID in the description area. So send me a mail about your suggestion, how we can achieve that. And okay, maybe I will not do it live on YouTube because this is the first time. I don't want to. I don't know how it will be going, so I cannot use. I will not do a public broadcasting. If you want to be a part of that, send me a mail. Okay, we'll see how many people can join this. I'm still not figured out. So let me know your feedback, how we can do it, and let's see how it will go. So that's it from this video. So do share this video with your friends so that I will complete that benchmark of 50,000 subscribers, and do let them know about this live coding. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching.